What's up, guys? My name is Jordan Sterling, and I'm here to talk to you about Commission Bot. Now, as you can see on my screen, how I make up to $297 monthly per customer without selling anything by giving away a free tool. Not only are we giving away a free tool, but it's actually free for us to use also. Okay, so I created this whole thing using free tools. Now, that is our cut and paste method. It is literally to model every move that I make so that you can get the same results without cold calling or spending money on leads. So you don't even have to talk to anybody and you don't have to come out of your pocket. All you do is you say yes and we get started, and it's that simple. Now, I'm going to teach you step by step how to get your first client that day or by the end of your training. Okay, so we're going to get straight to the point and we're going to do what we said we're going to do. We're going to get your results. So you're going to get your first client today and you're going to use that client to get your second and your third. And I'm going to teach you how to use those clients to get 20 clients in the next 30 days. So if you're like me, you probably wasted a ton of money on, the product that you see some dude sitting on the hood of quote unquote his car, but it's really like his cousin's neighbor's uncle's sports car, right? And it's not even his driveway. It's like the guy down the block's driveway. Well, the reason you see this video here, my main goal is to provide for my family and create assets that will pay me forever. So that's what this is, and that's what this is for you also. So I just want to kind of go over the numbers and just break down like the potential. So we close at about 20%, and if we talk to 100 people, then we will close 20 prospects, right? They get the free trial, they love it, most of them stay, like 90% of the people are going to stay. Okay, so let's just call it 20 people at $300 per month. That's $6,000 a month. Now, we just need to reach out to like 3 people over the next 30 days to get those same results. Let's say you get started and you're closer to like 10%. That's like 6 people a day. And you could double those results with like 12 people a day. So you can make even more than that $6,000. You could double that if you just talk to 6 people a day. So let's be honest. I know you've seen the price, and it's about the same price for a lifetime access as it is for Netflix. Now, how about we stop wasting our time and start something that creates time freedom? Because in this busy world, it's so rare that we actually get some time to do the things that we enjoy and love. Now, here's what you're going to get. So I'm going to teach you how to get leads at no cost. I'm going to show you how to convert them into customers with no sales skills. And again, cut and paste. We take the email script we use, we give it to you, you cut, paste, boom. So again, what we want to do here is create time freedom for our clients, for our customers. We created a business in a box that is going to just show you everything you need to know on how to take our method, cut and paste it, and apply it to your life. So if you haven't already, go and grab my step-by-step guided process where I take you by the hand, show you how to get leads for free at no cost, and how to convert those leads into paying customers with no sales skills. That is literally a business in a box. You can get started now. And last but not least, the most important thing, the live Q&A calls. This is the most valuable piece of the whole thing. This alone it's going to be free, but it is worth the amount that I charge per hour to consult somebody, and that's over $500. So you should be on it. There's no reason why you shouldn't be on that call. So if you haven't already, hit the link, grab this thing. It's $10. I mean, like, I already went over it. For the price of Netflix for 1 month, you're going to get a complete business in a box that you can use forever. That is not some here today, gone tomorrow thing. This is something you're going to be able to use for many, many years to come. And let's face it, this could be the start of your biggest year yet, right? 2021 can be your biggest year yet. Make the choice, hit the button below right now. You could start to go through these. You can get your first client. So that's it. Thank you. Again, my name is Jordan, and you'll be seeing me.